I had left that job for this institute, and I want to tell you that off campus, if we think that there is no off campus, there is no recruitment outside, then it is our fault. I have covered all over India after passing my BTech degree. I have covered all over India. I have worked 2 years in Godavari, 2 months in Godavari Power, purchasing department, then again Bhushan. They all are off campus. In college, I have not got any campus, but I have earned that two things from off campus and again Gammon from off campus. So if you want something, then don't sit in a home and thinking that if some recruitment will be happening outside, because in thermal industries, in electrical industries, recruitment are going inside only. You will not get any information. If you have a friend in any power plant, then ask him. He will say that in my plant recruitments are going on. Then don't send resume by carrier of any company. They will never call us. I have said 100 companies, they have not. I have go to Odisha, Bhubaneswar. I visited Bhushan Power and Steel. I asked the guard, I want to go to HR room. He said, okay, go. I have go to HR room and I have given my resume in front of that madam only. And after 1 week I got a call. That's many experience. I have gone to Bajrang Power, that power 8 megawatt. 8 megawatt guard has tear my resume in front of me. He's saying that no recruitment, no construction work is going on, no recruitment. He has teared my resume in front of. Then also I not underestimate myself. I have go on. I have submit every day. I start my bike, take one polythene, 10 to 12 copies of resume. Any power plant. Here Bangalore also, when I was roaming in auto, I found one German man. I have asked any vacancy in German. I have given him. Job, so as I said you that doing job is very glorious life, no life. But after coming here, I had got so many good friends. Everybody is familiar with me, whether north, south. I have enjoyed with all people very much, and I have got permission of 3 days from Gammon. That is 20, 21, and 22. Now it is 23. My mind is not asking me to go there again. I want to be here once again. And now, today also I am not going. I will go tomorrow. Because I know that this moment I will never get from anybody, anywhere. Job so worst.